Hey everyone, Liz here from the Nail Hub, and I am so excited to announce a very special free education series that I have coming to the Nail Hub YouTube channel. Monica Felton, a really good friend of mine and colleague, she is a certified financial planner. She has helped me with a lot of my own personal financial planning. And I thought, what better thing to offer on my YouTube channel than some actual fundamental financial education? You guys know that I'm always trying to demystify things and break things down into fundamental components that really become universal parts of knowledge that you can apply from nail care to product knowledge to everything in between. And I've also covered a lot of business stuff on my channel as well. And with just the general, economic situation that we're in now, and I know a lot of you are really in that position where you're revamping your businesses, you're thinking about how you're going to move forward, you're dealing with some of those financial decisions, and maybe you haven't been given all of the tools needed to make you really feel empowered and comfortable in that. I thought I would bring on Monica to basically take over my channel for the next several weeks and teach you some really amazing fundamental financial education. I don't know about you, but for me, money is one of those things that stresses me out more than anything. And even when I have money, I'm still worried about it. I worry about it for my business. I worry about it for my family. I worry about it for me personally. It's just one of those things that you cannot let go of. And I feel like with us as professionals in the nail industry, and a lot of us are sole proprietors, some of us really are using our personal finances to finance our businesses and vice versa. And also for some of you that work in other avenues and other corporate settings, and maybe nails is just a hobby of yours, all of this financial knowledge I think is really important to understanding where you are today and where you'd like to be. So Monica has been gracious enough to accept my invitation to provide some amazing free education for all of you. And this will be happening right here on YouTube over the next few weeks. I'm going to be posting a class schedule about when these videos are going to be posting on our community tab of our YouTube channel. I'll also be emailing it out, so if you subscribe to our email list, you'll get a copy of that. And I'll also post it on our Instagram just in case any of you guys missed that. But this will allow you to know exactly when the videos are going to be going live. We're also going to be throwing in an office hour session, so we will be gathering comments and questions and going over those with you. And we have a bunch of amazing content to go over, as well as some homework stuff that you can do to really get a feel for where you are personally and to kind of, be engaged in this journey. So I really encourage you guys to interact as we move forward. The first video we'll be posting in the next few days. They will be here on YouTube, so don't worry if you don't catch them when they first post. You can catch up at any time. We've also got some amazing surprises for you. We've got some giveaways that we're going to be doing, including a personal financial planning session with Monica. She'll be able to break down all of that stuff for you if you'd really like to get down and dirty with your finances. I will be putting a link right below this video so that you can give us your information so that we can enter you in that giveaway. And also we will be collecting a few demographics about the audience just so that we have a better idea of how we can make these videos more applicable to the people that are watching them. So I really encourage you to sign up via that link so you can be not only part of the giveaway, but really help us make sure that this is valuable to everyone. And I am so excited about this. I mean, like I said, money is one of those things that makes the world go around, whether or not we like to admit it. And I've been thinking about this for a while. As I started my business videos, I was thinking, how can I bring more kind of tools and also experts onto my channel to really help you with different facets of your life? And I think finances is such a great way to tackle what we're dealing with. And again, not only in our business life, but in our personal as well. So I hope this 7-part class series is going to really break things down for you. We're going to be covering everything from, spending to debt to assets to taxation to inflation to everything about how you're saving for the future, how you can really maximize some of that extra money that might be coming into your pockets. Like, for example, tips is a great way to start as a manicurist. And this is applicable, again, not only if you work as a professional manicurist, but also just in your personal finances with you and your family. I really encourage you to get the most out of this by participating, asking questions, and really joining us in this journey as we move forward. So I am so excited to get started. Just wanted to put this announcement here to give you guys a heads up that this is coming. and I can't wait to see you all in the first class. All right, see you guys. Bye.